Wait, you're still stepping out without SPF 50? I just started using Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA+++, and why didn't I try this sooner? It's super matte, lightweight, and not sticky at all. My skin feels hydrated and fully protected, even in crazy sun. I hate greasy sunscreens, but this one, zero white cast, zero oiliness. And it's 20% off right now. Don't skip sunscreen. Tap to grab yours.
This floral dress literally changed my wardrobe game. The A-line cut flatters my curves perfectly. I've worn it to 3 different events this week. From brunch dates to dinner parties, it works for everything. Seriously, you need this versatility in your closet.
UGC ads are dominating e-commerce right now, but producing them consistently, that's where most brands struggle. Hiring creators takes time. Shooting content costs money. And most AI UGC generators sound robotic, look fake, or just don't convert. I have tested several of them, and honestly, many feel overhyped and not built for real performance marketing. So I decided to test Creatify AI. In this video, you will see exactly how it works, what makes it different, and whether it is actually worth using for your e-commerce brand or just another tool to skip. I will also share a free template so that you can instantly generate an amazing ad script for your e-commerce product. So let's start. To create a free account, you have to go to here in the create option. Just click on it. Here you have to continue with Google, or you can simply put your email to sign up in Creatify. I will continue with Google. Just choose your email account. Now here, as you can see, login is successful, and Creatify will give you 10 points in the free plan. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade from here. As you can see, Creatify has 3 plans: Starter, Pro and Enterprise. This is the dashboard of Creatify AI. And as you can see here, you can generate multiple ads for your brand. In this section, top ads of the week. And you can create also social and UGC ads. Image ads also here. Product visual effect is also here. Meta top ads is also here. So Creatify AI has different types of ad categories, and you can choose according to your needs and desire. In today's video, I will share to create a social UGC ads for a skincare brand. As you can see, here are multiple options like hook, viral, sale, multi-industry, apparel, accessories, beauty and personal care. All kind of industries are here. So today I will go with beauty and personal care option, as I am generating ads for a skincare brand. So these are the template, you can use it. So I will choose this. Simply hit the create option, and it will open a new window where you just have to put your product name, product image and script, and that's it. Creatify will generate ads for your brand. So I will put a product name ++. I will input here. Simply add your product image. Now add a script which I generated with the help of ChatGPT. I will simply copy and paste this script. The link of this prompt is in the description. You can check it from there. I have added the script here. So this is the master prompt to generate the script. You can use this prompt to generate this kind of conversion focused ads for your brand. As you can see, this is the product details area where you have to put your product name, okay, brand name, your target audience, key benefits, USP, and offer. Tone should be conversational, and just hit enter, and this prompt will generate this kind of ads for your brand. So I have already put the script here and simply hit generate. Then go to your project. Here the video will render. As you can see, the rendering will take some time. So now the ad is completely ready for you. So there are two options, watch and edit. You can edit if you feel you should add some more elements in this ad, but as of now I just watch it.
Wait, you're still stepping out without SPF 50? I just started using Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA+++, and why didn't I try this sooner? It's super matte, lightweight, and not sticky at all. My skin feels hydrated and fully protected, even in crazy sun. I hate greasy sunscreens, but this one, 0 white cast, 0 oiliness. And it's 20% off right now. Don't skip sunscreen. Tap to grab yours.
So I think this is great. If you want to remove watermark, you have to pay for it, which is very reasonable for any creator or solopreneur. So if you wish, you can edit from here, as Creatify has a superb editing window. Here you can edit your script, edit your avatar, and edit everything. So now you can simply hit this 3-dot option, and from here you can download it and use it manually, or you can launch your ad directly from Creatify. As you can see here, you can connect your Meta Ads platform with Creatify to directly publish your ad from this platform. So if you are serious about your e-commerce ads, then give Creatify AI a try.